Good day, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are. Welcome back to Kitchen Simple, your go-to spot for easy, delicious recipes you can recreate right in the comfort of your home. Today, we're making porridge yam. Now, there are many twists to this classic recipe, but today, we're giving it a special touch. We're adding ugwu, fluted pumpkin leaves, for a nutritious and tasty twist. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first. We begin by peeling and cutting the yam into bite-sized chunks. Once that's done, we'll toss the yam into a clean pot, give it a rinse, and then place it on the stove to start cooking. Now while that's going, let's prep our other key ingredients. Prepping in advance really helps with layering flavors and makes the cooking process smooth. Trust me, it's the real secret behind easy, tasty meals. Next up, we're moving on to the fish. I'll give it a good clean because we'll be frying it in red oil. Later, that step is crucial for building a deep, rich taste. Now on to the peppers. I'll wash them thoroughly, then set them aside for blending, and of course onions. I love using onions in my cooking. They add such a great depth of flavor. And honestly, I enjoy them a lot. Once everything is clean, I'll blend the peppers and then go straight into frying the fish in red oil. This oil doesn't just cook the fish, it helps build flavor for the entire dish. After the fish is fried, I'll add in onions, the blended pepper mix, and a variety of spices. We'll let this spicy mix cook down well. We want those flavors to soak in properly. I'll give it all a good stir to make sure everything combines beautifully. Once ready, in goes the yam. Let it simmer and absorb all that deliciousness. And finally, we'll add the fried fish and ugu leaves. This will be the last step. Then we cover the pot and let everything cook just a little longer, so the flavors come together perfectly. And there you have it. Our twist on porridge yam is ready. Thanks so much for watching. Your support means the world to us. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and simple recipes just like this one. And just like that, food dom set. On the side, I've got some juice to help me step it down. You know how we do. Until next time, stay safe and eat health. Take care. See you in the next video.